Uptown Swing.
Level 1.
Maddie.
Brian. Charleston.
And we do it like, never mind. Okay. So today we talked about doing variations to our regular basic, we did the swing and slide.
Look like this. Shaboom, bam, boom, zoop. Hey, boom, bam, boom. We can do it at the same time or not. Zip. Hey, zoop, bam, bam. Let's show it from this way once. Boop. Hop, we swing and slide. Then we did some 20s Charleston.
Yeah, we started just by doing our regular starting like architecture that we started with this month, where we went tap, step, everybody on the same foot. Then we turned to face each other. We did it not touching, tap, step, then we connected. Doop, bop, boop, bop. We also talked about how to get into it from 30s Charleston.
Hey, boop. Hey, rock, step, go, and a tap, ha, boom, hey, boom, hey, and then we go, hey, boing, wee, boom, ha, and we're back.
Yeah,
and
we
twisties.
also talked a little bit about twisties. If you want to practice these at home, remember we talked about that down and down and down with your ankles going out, your heels going out. And then just trying to get that rhythm down and then lean to a side. Maybe pick up that foot a little bit, lean to the other side, pick up that foot, and then slowly work it into this footwork. You could be like Brian, and it could take 4 years. Let's hope not. See you later.